In this video, we will look at stream factory methods of iterate and generate. So first look into of. Use stream.of to create a stream from similar type of data. We have created a stream using arrays.aslist 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.stream in the past, but what we can do now is we can generate the stream using stream.of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is handy, and with this way we can generate a stream of similar type of data. And also we can generate using stream.of by providing an integer array. So in this case, new integer array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this stream.of is really handy to generate streams of similar type of data. Now let's look into factory method iterate. It generates an infinite sequential ordered stream produced by iterative application of the provided unary operator. The seed is the initial element of the iteration. So let's look at the example. In this example, we are generating a stream of even numbers and return 10 even numbers. Streams.iterate basically generates a infinite sequence of numbers. In this case, we are limiting it by 10, and here I plus 2 will generate even numbers. So we are generating 10 even numbers using stream.iterate.limit 10. If you remove the limit, then it will generate a stream of infinite even numbers. Now let's look into stream factory method generate. Generate a infinite sequential unordered stream where each element is generated by the provider supplier. So in case of generate, we need a supplier. So let's look at the example. Here we are generating a stream of random numbers and return 5 random numbers. So stream.generate, we are using a provider, new random next integer, and we are reducing, or we are limiting it by 5. So it will generate a stream.generate with a supplier will produce an infinite supply of random numbers in the stream, but here we are limiting it by 5. Now let's look into examples in IntelliJ. So let's create a new class, new Java class, and the name of the class is stream factory. Method example. And let's create public static void main. And the first factory method which we'll be implementing is of method. So stream of integer stream is equal to stream dot of and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And let's do stream dot for each and print out system dot out ::println. Let's run this example. So you can see that it basically printed out 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's look into the example of next stream factory method iterate. So with iterate, we'll be generating a stream of 10 even numbers. So stream integer stream 2 by stream 1 is equal to stream dot generate stream dot iterate, and the seed for the even number is 0 and I plus 2. Now let's print out using for each stream 1 dot for each and system.out data. And here we're going to print a spacer. Now let's run this example. So this will generate an infinite even numbers. You can see that it is generating even numbers. Stop it, and let's limit it by 10. And let's run this example again. So you can see that it generated the even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 until 18. So 10 even numbers. Now let's look into example of generate. So let's first print out the spacer. And generate 10 random numbers. The string of integer string 2 is equal to string dot generate, and in this case we are providing a supplier, and supplier is new random colon and next integer. Here we are missing the braces. Okay. Now stream 2 dot for each and system dot out colon println. Now let's run this example. It is going to generate infinite supply of random numbers. So you can see that it is generating random numbers. Now let's stop this and limit this by 10. And run this example again. So these are the factory methods of iterate and generate, which are provided by the stream to generate streams.